cut. That was terrible. Do it again.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do?
Wait, pause. Pause, don't do anything. You're not in focus. She's trying the Vegemite.
Oh, that is terrible. Oh my word.
Let me have some of
You
that.
like that?
Can I try? Ew.
Yeah.
What is that? It tastes like Play-Doh. Or something. Gross.
Have some coffee.
Give me a
Here.
Tim Tam. Oh yes, coffee's good.
Ugh, that was terrible.
Ah. You are cruel and unusual. Ugh. Gross.
Yeah.
Give me another strawberry cloud.
That was horrible.
For your information, I don't eat it that way either.
Not even sure I would like it on a sandwich. Wow.
I think you would. I think you would.
I can't get it out of my mouth.
Did you actually eat the whole piece off your finger, or?
It was just a little tiny bit. Yes. Keep moving your camera.
Is that?
She's taking advantage of it.
Yep. Alright, so dark chocolate Tim Tams now?
Yep. Yep, that's how you open them.
Wow, that's really good. Yep. So
Tim
nice.
Tam away. Tim Tam a day keeps the.
Health away?
That's right.
Bye-bye.
That's the best. Yep. My camera's just staring right at me. I don't like it. Cherry ripe.
Ah, dark chocolate things.
What?
Dark chocolatey. Coated in dark chocolate.
Okay. That's pretty good. Kind of weird,
Yep.
but good.
Yeah, the cherry and the chocolate. Save them for an occasion, I guess.
Try them right now, though.
Oh, if you want to.
I actually want to try the Turkish Delight.
Oh, the Turkish delight is.
I'm gonna have it.
That's pretty good.
Of course it is.
Kind of weird.
I sent it.
It's weird, but it's good.
I had the tree when she was born, so that's okay. Yay or nay? No?
I don't know.
No? Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay, we gotta try.
These, yeah, so, yeah, the Maltesers are delicious. I'm getting the impression that Ellen doesn't like malt.
But double coat's better.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I don't believe
Yeah,
it. It's darker.
the 70% one or whatever. So there's original, and then there's the extra dark one.
You have to start out with the original. Because she loves extra dark.
Hero.
Hey.
Oh, that's not the garbage can. Oh, it's not chocolate.
Yeah, it's real chocolate, surprise.
Oh,
It's-
that's hot. What you doing? Everybody's just staring at me. Lindy.
I'm not staring at you, we're staring at the chocolate.
Yep, hero.
That is delicious, I think.
That's
Yeah, yes, it is.
No.
No.
So what? Is it better than your Japan chocolate? No?
Those are disgusting.
See, everybody likes Tim Tams. Everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody
I don't like
loves
them.
Tim Tams.
The 3 packs of Tim Tam, the TV snacks,
Yes.
strawberry clouds, Maltesers, barbecue sauce, Vegemite, cherry ripe, Turkish delight, the 2 things of chocolate, Tic Tacs, Milo, which I've never had before.
Milo, that's right.
Oh, I've
Milo.
had Milo. That's really delicious.
So, who's had Milo?
Melissa. Emily? And Melissa. Emily
Oh.
and Melissa. Is it like chocolate milk?
It's like
No,
chocolate.
so
It's powder.
it's like a powder, chocolate powder.
So
it's
if
like-
you
it's
add
like-
it to milk, it'll be chocolate milk.
Like
Sugar
comatose
coma?
state.
Okay,
I got it.
are you hacking it? It's not what you do.
It's the mental
That
curse.
is
We
the
always open
policy.
things wrong.
We do not want
And
it
you
to
usually
taste like
sprinkle
milk.
a bit on.
Hey, we should give him some Vegemite.
He might like it.
Okay, we're gonna give Hero some Vegemite.
It tastes like dead
It's
fish.
horrible.
That's disgusting.
This is terrible.
So gross.
He's looking at her finger like, what did you just do to me? No, you never know. You want more?
Look my finger.
You wanted all of it?
He likes it?
Yeah, he seems to like it. You
See?
want more?
You got us.
He's saying
You
more.
got us.
Oh my
more.
goodness.
There we go.
He's signing for more.
Yeah, he's signing more.
He said more, please.
Is that healthy?
He'll be Superman tomorrow.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like he wants
He wants more.
He'll be able to tickle Ella to the ground every time, and she won't be able to resist.
Oh, he already
He already does that.
You get
Okay.
bits of toast, you toast it. You put a very thin amount of butter. Or actually, the butter doesn't matter.
She just
It's just
tasted
what I do.
Vegemite.
You're eating it.
So you put some butter on it because the butter makes it easier to spread it thinly.
Okay.
And then you put just a really thin coating of it, so it's only a tiny, tiny bit. So put like a ridiculously small amount on it, taste it, and if you can't taste it, put a little bit more. Try it again. Just put a little bit, put more and more on until you're happy with it. And it has a really nice taste when it's on warm toast and butter.
Don't leave me wrong.
I hate that. What's the problem?